Thanks for calling Lone Star Electric. This is the front desk. Is this an electrical emergency like sparking or losing power or something you'd like to get on the schedule?
Yeah, I think it's an emergency. Half of my house just lost power, and the kitchen outlet sparked pretty good when my wife unplugged the toaster, and the breaker won't reset. We got two little kids at home. Can y'all get someone out here today?
That's a real safety concern. Here's what I need you to do right now. Stop using that kitchen outlet and that circuit entirely. Don't let anyone touch it. If you smell burning or see any smoke, get your family outside and call 911 first. We absolutely can get an electrician out to you today. This is an emergency, and we respond
Oh,
24/7 for situations like this. Let me get your info so I can dispatch someone fast. What's your name?
it's Cody Wells,
Got it, Cody. Thanks. What's the address where you need us?
1118 Mesquite Bend Drive, Dallas, Texas.
Perfect. 1118 Mesquite Bend Drive, Dallas, Texas. We've got an electrician heading your way as an emergency call. Given that it's 4:36 p.m. right now on a Thursday and we're still in business hours, I'm booking you for our earliest available slot. But you're our priority right now. You'll get a confirmation email at cody@lonestarlabs.io with all the details.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Perfect, Cody. You're all set. An electrician is on the way. Stay safe, keep that circuit off, and we'll get this sorted for you and your family. Thanks for calling Lone Star Electric.